This right here is my Kodak VR34 model K40 camera. This one's from 1986. And anyways, again, not much to it, but for anyone that's interested, yeah, so, let me get better lighting on this. Anyways, yeah, not a whole lot to it, but anyways, this opens the shutter. Yeah, this is you take a picture, rewind the film, and we open this up. This used 35mm film. Anyways, yeah, not a whole lot to it, but I thought these were real popular in their time. They made these for a while, and anyways, does not currently have batteries or film in it, as you've already seen. But anyways, this is just for anyone who's interested. Kodak K40, Kodak VR34 model K40 camera.